some real stuff. Guys, guess what just showed up? Yes, we got an exercise bike because, you know, the gym wasn't full enough already. But because I'm going to do a triathlon, or at least I'm going to try and do a triathlon, I need to get better at biking. So we got ourselves the Echelon Sport. And it's going to work along with our Echelon app that we already have because of the rower. And I am so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Aries, and today we are going to set up my new Echelon bike. I'm super excited. We've got some work to do to get the room ready because right now it's kind of full. So we've got to reorganize some stuff, and then we're gonna build and set up the bike and try it for the first time. Okay, so I think we've got the room ready to bring the bike in, so let's get started. We started by opening the box and getting all the parts out and organized. We then followed the instructions, but if it were up to my boyfriend, he would have just thrown them out. Typical man, right? First step was to flip the bike, body on its side, and remove the wheel chock. The two long bolts and a plastic piece to keep the wheel from spinning when it's in transit. Second, we attached both feet with two bolts at each of the front and the back. Third, we attached the seat to the seat post and then the seat post to the bike body. Fourth, we attached the handlebar post to the bike body and then the handlebars to it. We did miss the bottom bracket, so we had to take it apart and attach it again later. So make sure you get that little piece that goes underneath the handlebar post. We then clip the wires together from the bike body to the handlebar post. Fifth, the water bottle holder attaches on with two screws right above where it says Sport. Sixth, it was time to put the pedals on. This was a bit tricky as the threads are reversed on the left pedal, so it took a bit to figure out which direction to twist. We tightened up both pedals and then we got to plug the bike in. Last but not least, there's a small tab with a yellow tag at the top of the wheel. It needs to be removed before you can use the bike. It was harder to remove than we expected, so we actually had to get some pliers and pull it out little by little. Oh.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to the world. Okay, so we have it all set up and now I just have to get it set up for the right dimensions for my body. So I've been told that you want to put the seat at your hip. So we're going to loosen and pull it up. See, and then tighten it back up. Now to figure out where to put your seat forward and backwards, I've been told if you put your fingertips on the front of the handlebar and you want to put the front of your seat at where your elbow is. So I've got, that's better. And then you want your handlebars as high or a little bit higher than your seat. So we're going to try that. Now I have the actual Echelon app because we have the Echelon rower already. So I'm going to connect to that, and hopefully everything connects to the bike. All right, so I can show you that. Okay, so you're going to open up the Echelon app on your phone or tablet. You're going to go to more. You're going to select equipment. You're going to come down to your bike, and then you're going to go into your featured classes. So I'm just going to do a quick 10-minute ride, and we'll see how that goes. Oh, wow. Okay, that's some real stuff. Considering that was only 10 minutes, I'm like sweating. I'm out of breath. That was way harder than I was expecting it to be. And I'm excited to do some more training on this. I did not think it was going to be so much of a workout. That's no joke. Oh, I can't wait to try this out more. Hopefully you guys want to see some more of this, and let me know in the comments if there's anything that you'd like me to try on the bike or any information that you'd like to know. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you subscribe, follow along, and I hope I can continue making some awesome videos for you guys. And along the way, I hope you join me on my journey to get fit-ish. Bye guys.